Hey, good morning, guys. My name is Ace, and I'm gonna show you how to download and install WhatsApp, the software version, on the PC. Okay, you go to a Google Chrome or your browser, and you write WhatsApp web download for PC, and you gotta click this tab. I'm gonna also put the link down below for you, and you gotta I'm gonna put this as English, and I'm gonna click the downloads Windows button. It's gonna start downloading, but for your safety, for uh, easy, I made this easy for you, and I already downloaded the setup. Okay, and after downloading, it's gonna look like this. This is the one which is downloading. It's the downloaded one. I'm gonna click it. It doesn't need any installation. It's the software just opens most of or just opens like in the mobile, and it asks for the QR code scan. So let me show you when it opens up. As you can see, it's gonna ask you to use the WhatsApp on your computer. He's gonna want a QR code. There's also an option of keeping you signed in and out. It keeps you logged in on your WhatsApp web on your computer. It's actually better than using the web version, because sometimes when your internet is slow, you can't actually connect or see your messages, or sometime upload your files over there. So it's the same way you actually go onto the WhatsApp web version. You just open your WhatsApp on your phone, click the menu button, these three icons, and click on settings and select link devices. You gotta point your phone and you gotta capture this code, and it'll just go open. So you don't need to do much of a work. It's just a 37 MB file, so it's gonna be easy for you. Thank you for watching the video. Do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.